Let's talk about the CVP ticker or the PowerPool token. Currently it's priced at $3.14 and it's up 103% on the day. Let me know what the price is at when you are watching the video. Is it higher than as of the time I'm recording this, or is it lower? Comment down below. The volume right now is at 400 mil, which is 4 times the market cap at 100 mil. This is insane. This is a hot token right now. It has had a lot of momentum. This pretty much the purpose of this series is I check out all the hot tokens of for the day. Pretty much everything that wow, this is very interesting. The chart looks everything, pretty much everything that's hot right now or that just came out. I'll go over it and give you my perspective, my opinion, whether or not I will personally be buying into this. So if you want to learn about that, make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. If you want to support the channel, all you gotta do is like the video for the algorithm. And if you want to learn about the hottest newest tokens first, subscribe if you are new. I also have a crypto signals group if you want to learn about tokens before I release the video, before there's hype around them, and my day trades. And I'm also sponsored by Bybit. If you go to the description of any of my videos, you see a step-by-step guide on how to get a $625 bonus from them. As you can see here, just go there, follow it. I think it's worth it. That this is money that you can use to add to your crypto spot trading portfolio afterwards. So PowerPool. I like the fact that it's available on Binance Smart Chain Network, and you can buy it on Binance for BUSD, which is even better, even less fees. So the Power Universe. Build your own exposure to DeFi using bullish, bearish, and let me share the screen. Hedged investment DAO managed DeFi products with reward. What is PowerPool about? It is a DAO manager of non-custodial structured investments, offering broadly diversified, actively managed, reward-rich, gas-efficient, multi-chain, family, or thematic pooled investment tokens with hedged options easily blended by average investors. So they basically have a bunch of products. I actually like the you have the DAO protocol features. Power Agent or PowerPool automatically executes on-chain maintenance operations with such as TWAP prices. CVP token. That's very interesting. The market cap and everything else should be wrong. I think they didn't update it on their website. The team seems to be doxed, which is good. I like it. So there's some honorable mentions of the project, and some of them might be paid, hopefully not, but it looks like a big project. I can imagine there's a strong community behind it. In terms of the price prediction, CVP for CVP, let's check it out. CVP to BUSD right now is, I mean, it had a pump, that's obvious. It went from $2 to $10, 5x in a matter of 30 minutes, dumped all the way down, and now it's consolidating. I see a support area, I would say, around this price point, because we respected it here and here, which is definitely a good thing. If we actually go to the brush tool, I want to just highlight this right here. There's basically these two areas where we bounced off of, which will probably be a stop loss level for me if I am to take a trade. In terms of EMA, I mean, it's trending upwards, obviously now. Worst case scenario, if I would trade it here, I would probably be interested in a depth trade with something like, I would say from here to here would be my target. And sorry, can I change the color? I basically removed the sharpness and everything from my computer because my eyes hurt a lot in the last few days. So I can't really see anything. I think this is the toolbar. What am I doing? So this is the depth line. Here it is. Okay. Okay. Removing this real quick. So the depth should be something like this, from what I can see. We'll go to the trend line. From here to here, I'm gonna mark this with white, and I'm going to add this here. So a potential pump, in my opinion, can net you at least this amount of gains. My long position right here would be something like a stop loss here, a take profit here. So for me, that would be a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which I do believe to be a good trade. I would say that's a good trade. And if there's a futures, are they actually available for futures? Because I'm very interested in buying some. And DYDX. Yep. You can buy it on spot, obviously, about futures, because they have less fees. DYDX, yeah, you can buy it on futures. What am I talking about? DYDX, there was another project, CVP. CVP, no, you can't. You can just buy it on spot. My head is a mess right now. There's too many tokens that I've reviewed today so far. We only bought one. I would say this is not a bad trade, in my opinion, risk to reward wise. It seems like an okay thing to do, but I would be more interested to trade it with lower fees, because the futures trading fees are way less on the Binance futures derivatives platform. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, whether or not you will be interested in purchasing this some of this project. The purpose of this is I want to know your opinion, your thoughts, because it all comes down to your community, right? Especially the Dr. Niki community, the Dr. Niki army. I want to do something fun with the channel, and I want to know your thoughts on projects. And I'll just give you my opinion whether or not I'll personally buy into them. I'm very likely to place a trade with kind of this risk to reward level from here on the CVP. But I will let you know very soon on my Twitter, probably as well, first in the Telegram chat. Like if you agree with me, dislike if you disagree. See you next video. Bye.